Hello, hello, hello. So, considering how much I have been dreading this, I probably shouldn't have left it this late. But here we are. We're revisiting the cash register project. Now, okay, cool, yes. I had a bunch of stuff from the last one. What I'm going to do today is actually try and go through and see if I can make sense of it. So, let's go down the preview. Let's hit our HTML. So we've got this is the head, and I feel like I get it now. So obviously there's bits we haven't done in the introduction that we learnt. But I know it's in the head, so it's cool. Title, style sheets. That goes for our CSS. Now I can actually say I don't need the image for the free code camp. So I'm going to get rid of that. So in the change due, okay, so let's leave that for now because I would have to do that later. For our input div, we have label for cache, so we know that's the label for here, and the cache from customer is here. Type number. It's got a class user input, and it'll have a value. Button class, button styles, ID, purchase button. Okay, so we've got purchase button here. Okay, so we've not got a submit button, we've got a purchase button, so we know we're going to do something with it. We've got another div here, it's called container. Top display screen container. Price screen. Another empty sort of element here. So we're going to populate this properly. Class, connector. I don't know what this is. Cache draw display. Probably don't need that. But it seems so. Return change the customer based on the price of the item, the amount of cash provided by the customer, and the amount of cash in the cash draw. Okay. So I feel like what I should have done is sort of create like a wireframe of what I want it to look like. I think what I will do as well, I think I'll copy the whole thing again. But I actually understand it, and I've deleted some stuff that I don't. Maybe I needed it, maybe I don't. I didn't. But let's see. Okay, so we're gonna go see I did that. Okay, so that's what's inserted here. The cache input. Okay, so really I should do some more pseudocode, right? I want to see the. So this is my one. Okay. Yes, I want to see that one again. So I don't need all of this. I don't need all of this. So I've got the change in jaw. So if I say 5 on my pressures, it gives me it breaks it down. Okay. And if I then say 6, yeah. Okay. Okay. So, I mean, everything's nice and centered here. I would kind of want. So how do you, okay. But how do you change the total? Right. So they, okay. Oh, I'm not speaking into the microphone. Alright, so they have a different total, and I think I remember reading that we should use something like yeah. I should use a let for the price and the change and draw so that they can be changed by their test as well. Okay, so I'm kind of feeling kind of crazy. I'm kind of feeling kind of crazy. I won't even lie. I feel like I want to rip this out. I'm going to rip this out. Alright, so I need to add boilerplate. So I'm going to say to do I need to remember how to add a oh, there you go. Okay, so add boilerplate. So what I want is I'm gonna have a status area, status div. So I'm gonna have a little section that shows the status. So my cash register, how do I want it? I'm gonna have something that displays the cost. Okay, so let's start. So we're gonna have a heading, cash register, and then we're gonna have on the left price, and then we're gonna have that's why I do some flexwork stuff, right? I should draw this out. So I am literally drawing right now, but I'm going to have, if this is my web page, I should use a pencil, less. Cash register, and then I'm gonna have status, and that can be this little box here. price here, and then I'm going to have cash in draw at the bottom. Right, so the purchase button here, and let me just see their one. Yeah, that's all it was. Okay, so I'll stick cash in here. Yeah, I'll stick cash in front of purchase, and then the cash in draw can be at the bottom. Okay, cool. So this is what that's what I'm sort of thinking. So I'm gonna have the status. So I'm gonna have a div status to the left, to the right. I'm gonna have price. Price is gonna be in its own box. Under price, I'm gonna have cash. Under cash, I'm gonna have the purchase button. And then under everything, I'm going to have the change in draw. Okay. Alright, so I've kind of got a wireframe, kind of know what I want it to look like. Tomorrow I just have to figure out how to do this. But it's not going to be too bad, because yeah, I could probably rearrange what they gave, but I'll figure that out tomorrow. Okay, cool. We have liftoff. I'm going to sleep. Well, started. I'm going to do this right. It might not look nice, might not be great, but hey. Yeah, alright, I'm going to save my code and call it.